Hey, what's going on, everybody? Time for today's Auto Andrew tip of the day. So let's take a little look here at this windshield. I don't know if it'll show, but you can see right here there's a big old crack that runs all the way down under the mirror and across the other side and actually down through my vision. And if you've got something like that going on, you obviously have to get this windshield replaced in order to pass inspection because you're not supposed to have any cracks in your vision. And today's tip is A, to get that done, and B, just if you're going to have those companies come out, a lot of them will come, straight to your driveway and repair it right at your house. You don't even have to take it anywhere. But if you're going to do that, ask them if they do discounts for other windshields, like if they have rock chips and stuff, because you may be able to inspect your other windshields on your other cars, and if you end up having one that's got a couple chips in it, maybe you can get those done for free or even at a discount, whereas normally it would have been more expensive. But just since they're coming out, they might do it a little cheaper. Doesn't hurt to ask. So look into that, and you might can get all your windshields fixed up in one go. So that's today's Auto Andrew tip of the day.